Okay, that's going to, that's 491. Oh, NS on that. 98, 92.
Alright, well, the afternoon continues. Well, it is underway now as we continue the Christmas holiday season. We have the return of today's L519 81 of the 24th here with the Soul SD60 of 5466 doing the honors. A standalone and 14 liquid propane tank empties are brought back here for this run. Let's check them out on the shelf as it heads into Ladysmith Yard. On the assignment for the day is we'll lean back and get a last car of that is GATX 202576. Dakota reached out to me there. Sure.
5466 on the point. South Asian St. I switches line lock, reverse line for 3. Give me 10 to the stop, over. So switch Ladysmith Yard, box reverse, pressure on the point. Ahead, we'll go about 10 to a stop, over.
Listen to that lovely sound of the EMD 710 prime mover.
Next 5466. 6 to go, SIX, over.
Do it for today's L519 81 of the 24th, and we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching. Have a great afternoon. See you next time. We'll see you along the main line. See you, and he's out.